I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and we're here on a 2020 Lexus GX. We've just installed the Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay and Android Auto upgrade module. And as you can see, it has completely transformed the look and feel of the factory screen on this vehicle. One of the great things about this module is that it preserves all the original vehicle features. We'll show you in a second that you can revert back to the factory operating system at any time with just the push of a button. I'll show you here whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or the SiriusXM app, your music app will automatically appear on Apple CarPlay. You'll have access to all your songs and albums. You can easily select music from here. You can also select music on your phone and it'll show up automatically. This is a super awesome feature. One of people's favorite features about Apple CarPlay is Maps. Whether you want to use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or any other app, it will automatically appear on your new Apple CarPlay side. You can easily navigate to saved destinations.
Starting route.
And Siri will read you the instructions, which is super awesome. You can easily enter destinations from your unit here or on your phone, and it will mirror to the unit automatically. Now, the other thing about this system is text messages.
Parker said, "Are we still good for dinner at 7? Would you like to reply?"
I would.
What do you want to say to Parker?
We are still good for dinner.
It says, "We are still good for dinner." Send it.
Send it.
Done.
You can see how easy it is to send text messages on this unit. Finally, we can use Siri to easily make phone calls. With a short press of the voice button, call Parker.
Calling Parker visuals.
Hey,
Hey Parker, we're calling you from a Lexus GX. How do I sound?
sounds great.
Awesome, I'll call you back. Siri allows you to easily make and receive phone calls, and our unit, unlike a lot of others, uses your factory microphone, which means you won't lose any audio quality. On lower quality units, they try to use aftermarket microphones, and it makes phone calls really frustrating. Our unit is going to fully use your factory microphone, and you're not going to lose any quality at all. With a long hold of the voice button, you can switch back to the factory system to easily access any of your factory features underneath. We have a variety of other videos about this unit, including how to install it and how to get the audio configured the first time. I recommend you watch both of those before using it. We also have North Carolina-based tech support that's here to help. You can give us a call at 919-858-2890 or check out our forum on our website. Any app that has a CarPlay component will automatically show up here, and this system makes your vehicle truly feel brand new.